Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Binita's Art Cloud. This is Binita Joshi. This time I came up with Buddha Lippan Art tutorial. So let's get started. Here I have taken triangle MDF board 14 inch, 14 inch and bottom is 16 inch. Here I have pre-cut out Buddha shape. We will set it into the center. Size 6 inch. Put 1 inch mark at all three sides and make border to stick masking tape. Now, in the center part, we will make texture with acrylic wall putty. Spread wall putty evenly using palette knife or knife. I used a piece of sponge to make a nice texture. Now remove masking tape and let it completely dry. Now we will start with clay part. I am using Using Moldit, but you can use any air dry clay. Mix the clay properly. Now I am rolling the clay, create thin coil. Sprinkle some talcum powder if required. Then again roll it. Apply Fevicol on the line and place coil there. Cut the edges using paper cutter. Let's make patterns on the coil. I am making triangle with 2 slant lines. To make patterns, you can use knife, palette knife or Lippan Art tools. Now follow same process for the outside borders. Applying gesso on triangle and Buddha cutout. Using plates from the kitchen, I made 4 circles. Let's start coloring part. I used acrylic color. In the center, Prussian blue. Then ultramarine blue. Now cobalt blue. Added little white into cobalt blue. Blend colors properly. Coloring border with Prussian blue. Now coloring Buddha. Putting dots using dotting tool. Now stick Buddha into the center. After coloring, it's varnish time. You can apply 2 or 3 coats as required. Let it completely dry before placing mirrors. Stick mirrors with Fevicol. Now put dots using dotting tool. So finally I am done with this painting. I hope this tutorial helpful to you all. Please share your feedback in the comment section below. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be back soon with another interesting video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, keep creating. Bye for now.